So I was quite happy with my previous camera setup, because I used with my GoPro an external mic, and I just plugged it into my old phone, and that recorded the audio, and the GoPro the video. Unfortunately, GoPro doesn't have a good inbuilt mic, so you have to use something, I believe. And unfortunately, my old phone died, and the new one doesn't come with the jack. So I was keen to get that USB-C jack adapter, but I think it's expensive, and also the reviews are just not good. So I just decided not to pay that $10 or $20 for it. I'd rather get the media mode, because the media mode has its own jack, has a USB-C port, so I can just charge it when I want, or just copy the data if I want. And also it has its own mic, front and rear facing, so it's quite versatile, I think. But when I got it and I recorded my first video, and when I went back home, downloaded it, had a look, and it turned out that no audio was recorded at all. And I didn't know what's going on. I thought I just didn't plug it in well, or I just did something wrong. And after trying and trying and trying, I just couldn't find the problem. So I was about to send the media mode back, but then I found an answer or a potential solution, that was you need to use an adapter, because there are different jacks. So the old one, the media mode uses, is the TRS, a tip, ring and sleeve, and the new one is a tip, ring and sleeve, so it's TRRS. And what is really interesting is that one is not compatible with the other one, and I just don't know, if you design something new, how can you design it in a way that it is just not compatible with the old one? But anyway, I got this adapter that is TRRS female to TRS male, so I can just plug in the microphone into the adapter, and this goes into the media mode easily, and it works like a charm, so it records audio very well. And just again, I just don't get it when they designed it. Why did they do it in a way that, you know, you can just plug it in and it still wouldn't work? But anyway, I hope it helped you. Maybe you are in the same shoe as I am, that you just didn't know there are different kinds of jacks. So it is what it is, I guess.